Hey guys, it's time to showcase another painting. We have a 10-inch by 10-inch canvas that's been sealed with numerous coats of gloss varnish that dries hard like resin. And we are going to look up close and personal. This is one of my flowers that I decided to embellish. We have a lot of metallic paint in the flower and in the leaves. So it's got lots of sparkle. Trying to capture that. It's a little hard without actually moving the canvas around, and I'm trying to avoid reflections, which is equally hard when you have something so shiny and glossy. This painting will be added to my Etsy shop when the Memorial Day sale is over. So be looking for it then. I have not come up with a title as of yet for this painting. I believe it will be Red Blossom, or I'm not sure. Nothing comes to mind, nothing creative anyway. Nothing more than red and white flower. That's about all I can think of right at the moment, but if you have any suggestions, feel free to put it in the comments. So I will let you go, and I hope to see you again soon at one of my paint parties. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.